come here. Did you know you can do these things in Premiere Pro? Let me show you. So the first thing I want to show you is how to create bars and tones. And if you don't know what is that, I'll show you in a second. So you can go to the project panel, right click, go to new item, and then from there go to bars and tone. And here as always, you're going to have this panel with all the settings, and we're going to keep the default settings as the sequence. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now, as you can see, there's the bars and tones. I didn't know you can do this in Premiere Pro. So what we can do is just simply grab it and drop it. Any seconds you can create this kind of broken TV, or like there is some kind of problem with the broadcasting. And the cool thing is that it comes with a sound effect as well. So let me play it and you see it. Boom, in a second. So the second thing I want to show you is the offline file. So again, I'll go to the project panel, right click, new item, and from there I'm gonna go to offline file. Here again, another panel with settings. We'll keep the default settings and OK. And this, you can type description, type name, contains audio, video, and you can leave a note, but don't care about it. Just click on OK. And as you can see, now we've got this file here with the question mark. So I'm gonna grab it and drop it onto the timeline. Probably you've seen this thing a million times when something goes wrong with Premiere Pro, and I didn't know you can create like a dummy file so you can use it as a B-roll for a video or whatever you're working on. The next thing I want to show you is the counting leader. So if you don't know what is a counting leader, I didn't know what is a counting leader. I know it as the numbers going from 4, 3, 2, 1, and beep. So yeah, again, we can go to the project panel, right click, as you know already, new item, and we're gonna go down to universal counting leader. I'll click on it, the same, we're gonna keep the same settings, okay. And from here, you have the universal counting leader setup. From here, you can select a colors for all the settings inside this animation. For the wipe color, background color, line color, and yeah, it goes on. In this case, I'm not gonna change any of these colors, and then I'm gonna click on OK. And the next thing I'll do is grab it and drop it over the video. And now I'll play it and you see what is happening. It's kind of cool. You know, I didn't know you can create this so easily. It's just a simple countdown, and I always wondered how you can create it. Boom. In a second. So yeah, you always find something new with Premiere Pro every day, even if you've been using it for years. I have two more things to show you. This time we're gonna go to the timeline, and we're gonna go to this key, or like, I don't know how you call it in English. So it says timeline display setting. I'm gonna click on it. So didn't know that you can minimize all tracks and expand all tracks. So if I click expand all tracks, it will expand all the tracks on the timeline. And there is a shortcut for that. You can press Shift and plus, and it will expand them. That's the shortcut. Also, you can minimize them. So I'm gonna go back to the key, and I'm gonna minimize all tracks, and boom, it minimized all the tracks. And before I used to do it manually by going to these levers here and just drag it up or down. It was a nightmare, and I didn't know that there is shortcuts for that. So the shortcut for minimizing all the tracks, it's Shift and minus, and boom, voila. They're all minimalized. So yeah guys, I wanted to share these cheeky things that you can do in Premiere Pro, and if you didn't know, now you know, and if you did know, well, it was me, but now I know as well. And please share in the comments down below if you know more tricks or shortcuts that you can do in Premiere Pro. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and of course I'll see you in the next one.